Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to Airline Studio tutorial 44, and today's topic is how to add a moving dash animation in an Oracle architecture diagram in Airline Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there you need to select cloud architecture, and then you would be redirected to our AI builder page. There you need to select the provider. So today we are talking about Oracle diagrams, so please select Oracle as your cloud architecture diagram provider. Okay, now here I have already generated diagram for my use case, which is multi-region active passive architecture in Oracle, and we are talking about moving dashes on animation. So simply go to the animation panel over here, click on this moving dashes, and then you can see that edges has started flowing in the direction. Correct. Now if you want to change the dash color, you can change it from here. If you want to increase the dash length, you can do this, or decrease, you can go here. If you want to increase the gap length, you can do it from this bar, or if you want to decrease, you can do this over here. If you want to increase the animation speed, you can go here. If you want to decrease, you can go here. So basically, adding a moving dash animation in Airline Studio helps you to make your diagram more dynamic and easy to understand.